The president went to take radio. That time, the Kwabre chiefs and co-has, because they gave NPP the highest vote. Highest vote in Asante region.
Yeah.
And they have every right under the constitution of Ghana to demand for quality roads. Every right. What are the politics for? And then when the chiefs held this press conference, it's called Boniaye Kai, that the ingrate must remember in English. Then the president was at New Tech. I was watching live with senior members of our party. The president said, oh, then you see, was gladly circulating it. A few days before, they were reminding Ghanaians what the president told us. I was shocked, Gabby, Randy. I was shocked. Hey, is this happening? Or is it a slip of tongue? Why was it? Because he kept repeating himself. I said, Then he went on using some, key personal indicators about assessing his own ministers. When the economy was just tumbling every day. Oh, Ofori-Atta, Amwakwata, Alanchemate, why is the best person? What kind of personal indicators is my president using? So when we came, I came from England. We like-minded colleagues of mine, we met. And the meeting took place in my house. I'm telling Ghanaians, it took place in my house. 42 members of parliament. We all convened. And I invited Chemi Sabunso as the leader of the caucus and Honorable Joe Wise to come and join. Because we wanted to go and meet the president quietly. Nobody was interested in the press conference. We had all worked for the ticket for him to be elected president, for us to be elected members of parliament. So we want to see him and discuss these things privately with him. That, hey, the way he's going, please. He may not run again. So, of course. But at least we have a party to win an election. So we're all concerned. What happened? We couldn't meet our president. We couldn't meet our president. Your own MPs, we couldn't meet him.
Why?
Randy, I think Manasseh has written copiously about it.
No, I'm asking you.
Because some of the MPs had voted against Michael Quay as speaker.
Oh.
So, yes. So we left it. Then we said, okay, some of us. Randy, do you know my oath as a member of parliament? Let me read it to you again today.
Okay.
Ghanaians, listen to me. I, Eugene Boati Entry, having been elected a member of parliament, do in the Almighty God swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana, not NPP, Republic of Ghana. Because without Ghana, there's no NPP, there's no NDC. As by law established, that I will uphold, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Ghana. And that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duty of member of parliament. So help me God. So those people out there who are thinking because I go into parliament because of an NPP ticket, so I should go and hoodlike and sink and behave as if I have no mind or no shells in my head. You heard what my father Pampirin told us. What is the parliament? You heard it? And so some of us, we are grandfathers who got Randy. We have grandkids. For people to insult us as if we are nowhere, as if we can't think. And when we decide to hold a press conference and make the president aware that the continued tenure of Ofori-Atta was not going to be to our benefit electorally.
So you held a press conference because you have been unable to meet him?
On the 22nd of October.
Because you have been unable to meet him?
Yes. Okay. Because now when you want something from what do you do? What do we do? You let Ghanaians know, and let every Ghanaian know that me, I've been consistent about the last 2 years about today. So what has happened today, I'm not part of it. And nobody can say they love the party more than I do. But when we did that, and the president refused to meet us, we had the press conference. The following day, the president met us.
Oh.
The following day, he met us in Jubilee House.
I see.
And then prominent members of society called us that the president will get rid of, will leave Ken. So we should just bear with him. He's an elder statesman. We don't have to.
When was this?
This is what happening around the November, December of 2022. So we should allow it. We allowed it. If you have lost the election today, it's because of Ofori-Atta. NPP has lost this election because of Ofori-Atta. Gabby has and Asante Bediatuo. I'm mentioning names.
What have they done?
What have they done? Ofori-Atta was there. Who? In 2000, do you remember how President Ofori said when he was campaigning? Do you remember?
What did he say?
What does that mean? Economy. 2016, what did President Ofori say at trade fair? What the Baumia. So we see Sikasima mind. What was he talking about? Economy. How can we win a nation in this country without the economy? Why do you think our nations are punished the way they have?
But the people you mentioned, apart from Ken, they are not responsible for the economy.
And poor friend, you want to make
Kasa.
Yes. Now, the president kept Ken there for 1 year and 2 months, 14 months.
After you have been assured.
After we have been assured. Yes. 2017, my brother is here. Anytime Ken came to deliver the budget, was it not about me present? 2018 wasn't he there? 2019 wasn't he there? 2020, they cut off Baumia. That's where all the excessive borrowing and the intolerable introduction of taxes on the people of this country started. That's where they cut Baumia off. Someone will say, you have to build a party. And with NPP needs an open heart surgery to build this party. You cannot be sweeping things under the carpet. They're not jokers. And you can say, Randy, we are not leading, we are not senior members, we are leading the rest of the party. We have to let the base believe that we really have handed over power to the NDC. The received wisdom in Westminster says that opposition parties don't win elections, governments lose them. We have lost the power to NDC. We did all this, Randy. The man was kept there. Now, Gabby became the chief advisor to the finance minister. They were the ones drawing the budget.
This is just an allegation.
It's an allegation. I'm telling you. I'm talking those allegation.
No, it's an allegation. You've not provided me evidence. Yes.
He was the one drawing the budgets.
How?
Okay. If you don't want to challenge me, let's do another day. There's more I want to go on.
So move on.